Have you ever wondered why some programming languages take time to build before running, while others just start instantly? Like C says, compile everything first, while Python is like, relax, we will figure it out as we go. Well, the answer is hidden into two important terms, compiler and interpreter. They sound scary, but after this video, you will never confuse them again. Compiler, the patience teacher. Imagine you have written an entire book. Before anyone can read it, an editor checks every single page, fixes mistakes, and then publishes the final copy. That's exactly what a compiler does. It reads your entire program first, converts it into machine language, and only then lets your computer run it. So if there is even one error, the compiler basically says, nice try, come back after fixing everything. The good part is, once it's compiled, the program runs really fast because all the hard work is already done. Languages like C and C++ use a compiler. Interpreter, the live translator. Now imagine you are listening to someone speaking another language. Instead of translating the whole speech first, a translator converts it sentence by sentence as the person speaks. That's an interpreter. It reads your code line by line, translate it, and immediately execute it. Sounds faster, right? Well, until it finds an error. The interpreter simply stops and says, I'm not reading the next line until you fix this one. Then you fix it, run again, and it continues. Languages like Python and JavaScript mainly use interpreters. Here is the easiest way to remember it. Compiler reads the whole program first, shows all errors together, creates an executable file, runs faster after compilation. Interpreter reads code one line at a time, stops at the first error, doesn't create a separate executable, usually runs slower because it translates while executing. Let's understand both with real life analogy. Think of it like watching a movie. A compiler downloads the entire movie before playing it. You wait once, but then it plays smoothly. An interpreter streams the movie while you are watching. It starts quickly, but if the internet slows down, so does the movie. So remember this, compiler equal to translate everything first, then execute. Interpreter equal to translate and execute one line at a time. Simple, right? If this video finally ended the compiler and interpreter confusion, hit the like button, subscribe to Dear Coder, and I will see you in the next video.